In the process, we cannot, the drug to bind permanently, it should be reversible. So the ideal molecule is it will come, it will block, and it will go away, get washed away, and make you happy. Should not sit there. Should not go and disturb your kidney. Right? So therefore, can we build function of kidney in computer? Can we build the process of absorption of a drug in the bloodstream in computer? We can. Right? And that's all is that we want to do. Dr. Zalil, am I right? Huh? So I just thought I want to thank you for getting me here all the way, for your extraordinary interest which you have shown over the months working on this great project. I'm very proud, not because I initiated the project. I'm very proud that I had a faith in young people. And I had a faith in people whom I didn't know. And I always believed that when the cause is large, always people arrive. I had doubt. I asked Craig Venter one day. You know, Craig Venter had a very different idea of genome sequencing compared to what everybody was thinking. When everybody was trying to break the human genome into larger pieces and assemble, he thought of breaking them into very small pieces and assemble. So I asked him, did you know that your idea will only work if you can build a software that will be able to handle this? He said, yes, I knew. But I said, did you knew Eugene Mayer? He says, no. I said, if there was no Eugene Mayer, your software would have never been built. And you would have never been able to solve this. He said, I agree. So then I asked him, what gave you the confidence that you would be able to do? And you left NIH and you just threw away all your recognitions and took your risk. He said, I learned from your country. I was taken aback. In 2003, he has finished sequencing. He's a big man. Huh? I learned from your country. I said, how come? He said, did Gandhi knew with a stick in his hand by saying that I will do non-violence, non-cooperation, and with this I will send British away? I said, I don't know. So you say, when your cause is big, purpose is large, always you will get people to come and join you. So always have a large purpose in life, large cause for which you should work. So I am very happy that in this journey, I started with 2 disciples. I get the Zakir, Vinod, and Anshu. I had the 3rd disciple, Zakir, and I have a 4th disciple, Zalil, in this part of the country. It would be unfair if I do not acknowledge that 3 professors who have made extraordinary contributions into this happened. One is Andrew Lane, by providing his extraordinary commitment, what he calls himself the hardware man. Stand up, Andrew. The Nagasuba from Indian Institute of Science for her deep insight into system level understanding. And third is, very interestingly, from a private university, right, in Tamil Nadu, Sulagna. She is not there at this moment in India, but her coming in was a big surprise. I'm not thanking IGIB faculties because they are taken granted. When DG does a work, or director of a lab does this, of course everybody participates. But as I said, Jesus Christ had 12 disciples, and he converted the 1/4 of the world with his philosophy. And after thousands of years, we continue to follow importance of love, sharing, education and caring. And standing here, I cannot be any other place which testifies that far away in this land, from far away from that land, how philosophy flew. So I'm sure one day I won't be there, but open source drug discovery will make a difference for this world, for the marginalized people of the world, to create drug affordable and accessible. Thank you. So I will take question answers. Anyway, I am available from now to till 2 o'clock tomorrow. And I don't need to sleep. So I'm available. Okay? So I'm available whatever time you want, however you want to interact with you.